How to share Instagram reel to Snapchat story. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can share the Instagram reel to your Snapchat story. So guys, to share an reel to your Snapchat story, you can have to follow some steps. So you can direct share the story from the Instagram. Open the Instagram app and navigate to the reel that you want to share. So let me open the Instagram. Let me go to the reel section. And you can see that if I wanted to share this reel, I will have to tap right here on the share icon, and then I will have to tap right here on the share. Now you will have to search for the Snapchat, and after that you will have to tap right here on your Bitmoji icon, and then you can see add to my story. So this method allows you to directly share the reel to the Snapchat, but it would not appear as normal Snapchat story. To achieve this, so you can save the reel to your device and then upload it on your Snapchat story. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.